WASCO says that areas such as the Thebes water treatment plant, which supplies communities from Millet through to Kappa State, and the Hill 20 water treatment facility in the north, which serves the entire Babono region, as some of those areas affected. Similarly, water treatment facilities in the south, including Dennery, Bossiju, Pasias, Soufre, and Chozel, are experiencing severe reductions in supply. Officials say the situation has led to lower production levels and placed considerable strain on the island's water distribution network. During WASCO's recent press briefing on May 5th, Meteorological Services Director Vigil Saltabas stressed that this is the third driest season on record.
Lucia is currently experiencing a significant rainfall deficit, which began in June 2025. The previous wet season, 2025, ended with approximately 37% less rainfall than normal. And this shortfall has continued into the 2026 dry season. As of last month, April 2026, rainfall remains well below average, placing this year's rainfall accumulation period from June the previous year to this April to be among the third driest on record.
She explained that St. Lucia is now developing drought conditions as the soils, rivers, and reservoirs have not had sufficient time to recover. Saltabas stated that it is important to note that the recovery is not immediate.
The ground is very dry, so light rainfall is quickly absorbed and does not significantly replenish water supplies. We would need prolonged or intense rainfall to see meaningful improvement. Looking ahead, forecasts suggest a continued likelihood for below normal rainfall into the early part of the wet season, due in part to a developing El Niño, which is currently forecasted to be moderate to in strong intensity. We can also expect warmer temperatures, which can and will increase water demand and place additional strain on resources.
WASCO acknowledges the challenges posed to households, businesses, and institutions and is actively implementing measures to ensure water availability and quality. Saltabas noted that the outlook for the 2026 Atlantic hurricane season suggests near to below normal storm activity. This forecast is largely influenced by the expected development of El Niño conditions during the peak months of August to October. El Niño-related wind patterns tend to suppress hurricane formation, leading to fewer storms, hurricanes, and major hurricanes compared to long-term averages. Some forecasting agencies indicate a reduced likelihood of major hurricane landfalls in the Caribbean. However, Saltabas emphasized that these are seasonal projections and do not guarantee specific outcomes.
Even in quieter seasons, storms can still form, intensify rapidly, and track towards land. It only takes one direct impact to cause significant damage. In addition, with warmer sea surface temperatures still present, any storm that does develop has a potential to intensify rapidly, especially if conditions briefly become favorable.
She emphasized that despite a less active outlook, risks remain. The Meteorological Services Director urged residents to prepare early, review hurricane plans, and stay informed. To address reduced inflows, WASCO has increased trucked portable water to essential services and affected areas. They have also accelerated water quality testing across affected systems, ensuring compliance with international standards. These efforts aim to protect public health, strengthen infrastructure, and secure St. Lucia's water future amid climate challenges. Kayla Edwin, NBC Prime.